How to sublimate a flip sequence pencil case.
You will need the following products for this project: a flat press, a ruler, your flip sequence pencil case, heat-resistant tape, and tape dispenser. Now to begin, we first will need to measure the size of the pencil case. Using a ruler, place it on the top to measure the height of your pencil case. Then measure the width. Our pencil case measures 6 by 8 inches. Now this information will take it to our design software. Let's design the pencil case using Canva. We're going to be using letter size paper. Go over to the right corner and custom size. Change the units to inches and input the size of my sublimation paper. We're going to input 11.0 inches by 8.5. Then select Create New Design. We have our landscape template ready to go. Now let's head over to Elements on the left panel. And in the search bar, we're going to type Teacher School Supplies Split Monogram. Then select See All under Graphics. Pick the monogram that you would like to use. I'm using this one right here. And sizes to the size that you need. I'm going to size mine to 6.2 inches in width and 4 inches in height. Now you have room here to duplicate this or add a different image. You have room to place more designs here. What I like to do is print my design twice and put them on both sides of my pencil case. All right, now let's go over to text and input a text on here. I'm going to select add a heading and type the text that I would like to use. Select the font, and on the top you can change the font. I'm going to be using a font called Francis, and I'm going to size this to 4.1 inches. And here I'm going to change this to 45.8 for my font size. Now make sure you center it. Select all, group, and then you can select duplicate if you like to print this twice. Now we're ready to title and save. Select share, select download, change the file type to PDF print, select flat PDF, save download settings, then select download. Save it one more time, then open up the file where you have saved your design. Once you've opened up your file, you also need to open up the print manager that you're using for your sublimation printer. I'm using a Sawgrass SG500, so I will be using Printmate. Next, drag your file onto the Add Files section. Scroll down to General, make sure mirrors turned on, and under Product Type, we're going to change this to polyester. Go over to Color Management and change under Color Mode, you want to change it to Vibrant. Then select Print. We're ready to sublimate the pencil case. The first step is to tear along the 4 sides of your sublimation print. This diminishes the lines for marking on your sublimation cosmetic pencil case. Once you've done tearing, we are ready to press it. To begin, we want to flip all the sequins to the white side. Place your bag inside your press and make sure to adjust the pressure. Now we're ready to press it. Place your paper on top of your bag and tape it down using heat-resistant tape. I like to secure all 4 sides to make sure the paper doesn't shift while pressing. Place it in your press and sublimate at 385 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 seconds. When the time is up, open up your press and, being very careful, remove your bag from the press. Remove the paper right away to reveal your final result.
Congratulations on sublimating your very first flip sequence pencil case. Look how beautiful and vibrant these colors turned out.